Alright, so I've seen a lot of people who don't know how to install the crane stock battery. So here's how you do it. Okay. There are two little tabs right on both sides. You gotta push those in together and then push out on this back and then push them out. And then it's off like that. See, those are the little tabs that you gotta push in. Okay. Then you'll see this. You'll be like, whoa, where did the battery go? Okay. Just pull this right off. Boom. And the hardest part is going to be when you first get it is fishing for the wire. But after that, it's easy. Just reach in there, grab it out, and there it is. Okay. And then just connect the wires. And then now place it in. Just keep the wires up to the top and then put the battery on the bottom. When you're all done, should all be in there nice and tight. Well, not tight, just loose. Grab the cover that you pulled off earlier. Put it back on. Align the two tabs up with the two slots in the back. Snaps right on. All done.